Hi, my name's Ryder. I'm just now starting YouTube, and just gonna show you one good knife you could get for outdoors and stuff. That's really good. I'm gonna set you down real quick, so I can show you. It is the Cabela's multi-tool, and is a very good thing for outdoors and stuff. I will show it to you. So, see, it says Cabela's. Recently, Bass Pro bought Cabela's, so I was there and I was just looking around and I saw this and I was like, hey, I need a new multi-tool. So, I just picked it up and I started to, bring it home. So it has pliers. It's pretty good. They're pretty strong. It's a very okay size, sort of small, but it's alright, I think. So yeah, I'll show you the different things in it. I'm gonna set y'all down real quick, just for 1 second, or I'll just set you like this. So it also has a knife. Decently sharpened. Has a bottle opener, and then it has a screwdriver, and then it has a flathead screwdriver, and we also have a saw. So if you want to like cut little twigs or something. We got another bottle opener, and I do not know what that is now we got some little scissors. Pretty nice. So saw, bottle opener, scissors, knife, screwdriver. Then we got a flathead screwdriver. So yeah, it's a pretty cool tool, I think. I just got it yesterday. It comes with a little sheath. It's pretty cool. So you just fold it just like this. And what you do is you just put it down in there, just like this. Close it on the top. And then there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. Bye.